In this video, I will show you how to update Windows 10 to Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started with this, what you're going to want to do first is open up an internet browser. Then what you need to do is come across to google.com and then just go ahead and type download Windows 11 into the search and then just go ahead and give that a search. What you want to do is click onto the top result. So this is going to be the official Microsoft website. Make sure it is the official Microsoft website and not a different website. And this way you can come to actually update your Windows 10 PC or laptop to Windows 11. So as you can see, it says this is the best option for installing Windows 11 on the device you're currently using. So what you need to do is click download now to get started. Just a quick note that Windows 11 Installation Assistant does not run on ARM-based PCs. It only works for x64 processors. So what you want to do is go ahead and click the download now button here to download the Installation Assistant for Windows 11. What you then want to do is go ahead and click to open up the Installation Assistant, and it's going to run you through these steps and get you updated from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So as you can see in my case, I'm actually already updated to Windows 11. It says this device is already running the latest version of Windows 11, but for yourself, what it's going to do is run a few checks on your PC to see if you would be eligible to update your PC or laptop to Windows 11, and if so, it's going to take you through the steps to update your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11. Now, another method you can do to actually update your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11 is if you actually come back to your desktop, and what you want to do is use the search box and type updates into here. And then underneath best patch, it should say something like check for updates. So if you go ahead to give that a click, this is going to open up your updates window. Of course, as you saw in my case, I'm already updated to Windows 11, but if there is an update available for Windows 11, generally you're going to find it in the update section for Windows. So this is what it's going to look like if you do have the option to upgrade to Windows 11. And of course, what you would do is click onto the download and install button. It basically installs the same thing, the Installation Assistant, and then again, just run through the steps to update your Windows 10 PC or laptop to Windows 11. So that's how to update Windows 10 to Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.